trying to build a Fiat On-Ramp in his country, and so I think that's why he was asking about how they take and
you know what you do?
From a legal perspective, how to do it.
You get a money transmitter license. Then if you need it, some countries you might need it, a local crypto license or whatever, and you just start small. You start with a phone number, an ad in the classifieds, your license or two, and you just take money from people locally. And that's it. And then once you've exhausted that and you're already doing so much business or you need more customers, then you take it to the next level. You don't preemptively build out all the software and hope that you find a market and then discover your marketing sucks and then you just go out of business and lost a lot of money. You do it with an Excel spreadsheet yourself to start with. I mean, how many businesses run on Excel spreadsheets? All of them. All of businesses run on Excel spreadsheets. Like the world is based on an Excel spreadsheet, basically. So if you want to be a money transmitter and you want to make that profit margin, 5%, 10%, whatever it is, get your licenses and just do it from scratch with an Excel spreadsheet, right? You gave me money. Okay, I'm going to buy what you want. I bought it. Here's my cut. Here's your stuff. Thank you. Next. Who's next? Thank you. Money. Okay, what do you want? You want Hex? All right. I'm going to buy some USDC somewhere. I'm going to buy some Ethereum somewhere. I'm going to swap it on 1inch.io or match.xyz. Boom, here's your stuff. Here's my cut. Everybody's happy. You don't need to do any software development whatsoever. None. No software development required at all until you have so many customers that you can afford to pay for it.
It's a crypto bookie.
Yeah, there's no reason to just build all the software out and go, okay, I spent $1 million on software dev. I hope it's secure, and I hope I can find customers now. But I'm missing $1 million that I could have used for marketing. No, you're better off doing an Excel spreadsheet and being able to pay for ads than you are building out software. And building out software is super risky. So, you probably would just want to license somebody else's solution at that point. But I mean, look, what can't Excel do? I mean, in the end, a human being has to verify you are who you are to AML, KYC you. Do it with an Excel spreadsheet to start with. I was doing it in my car stereo store, doing $500,000 a year in sales. We had QuickBooks. But an Excel spreadsheet probably would have worked even better.